Give it to me. Give it to me. I'll bring it up for him. Thank you. There you go, my friend.
Currently, like, the brunt of the impact has been felt by people who have pre-existing mental health. So it's not like the general public is immune from this as well. I mean, you see these stories here, right? So one person wrote that she was certain that she was the only person in the world that ChatGPT just one of the other 100 million users. Another was convinced that they had unlocked it.
Because he went to the bar, he's like, yo, Melissa, whatever Michael wants, make it, put it on the house.
Slut in the corner, or whatever it's called. Slut in a...
In the
what's
drawer?
it called? Slut in the drawer? No, slut in the...
Cabinet?
Slut in the cup? Slut in the something. She's on Jeff Lewis's show, she said. We don't listen to Andy Cohen's Sirius shows channel anymore.
他怎么撞的？这不是他撞，他这有什么理由撞过来的？有什么理由撞过来的？不是你的灯。
Ready and wait downstairs, so she might be doing that too, getting ready. Yeah, just go. Somebody thought it.
Big man. Big man.
Dude!
No worries, man. I got you on tape and I'm sending it to the police. You
Syphilis aren't as prevalent as before. Whoa. What the? What the? Prevalent as before. Whoa. What the? What the? What? Is that? Oh, man.
Holy. Jesus. We have light traffic, one into oncoming, back over, and crashing.
Your incident has been
2006 crash.
Copy, what's the crash location? Community land advice for the crash location?
Front of Tulsi Motorsport.
Copy, one running on foot.
Hurry up, man.
Okay, Garmin, save video.